Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. Kindly hit on the subscribe button and please turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload new videos. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys easiest way, like simplest way on how to make palazzo pants without any side joining at all. So if you're interested, keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So as you can see, the material is already folded into two. So right here we serve as our waistline. So then you see I'm marking 2 inches on the waistline that will serve as our folding allowance. So the new line I'm marking here will be the waistline. So this here right here will be our folding allowance, like I said earlier. So the next thing we'll be working on is the crotch. So I'm marking 11 inches from the waistline to the crotch. So this new line will serve as our crotch line. So after marking the crotch line, the next thing is to measure the length of the pant plus 1.5 inches allowance for the folding. After marking the pant length, so on this crotch line, you measure your tie measurement. Don't make it too tight because remember it's a palazzo pant, so it must be very free. So I measure my tie measurement and then I add 2 inches extra to it. So you measure the same thing on the waistline. So on this pant, we won't need hip line and knee line because it's a free pant. So add your 2 inches allowance on the crotch line like this, and then you just curve it like this to meet the waistline. So like I said, this is a free pant. The only thing we'll be using to join everything together is the elastic. So I'm just curving everything to meet the waistline. Then from this crotch line, you just go down straight to the end of the pants like this. So like I said, I'm trying to make this video to be very easy so that you can do it on your own. So like you see me doing now, the only thing I'm doing is just cutting out every unnecessary piece that we don't need from the pants. So after I was done cutting, the nice thing is to fold another fabric and cut out the same thing as this. All you need to do is just to place this on top of another fabric and cut out the exact thing again. So that's it. I'm just cutting out the exact thing that we cut earlier. So now we start joining, which is very easy. You firstly fold the bottom part like this. You fold it in once and you fold it in again. So basically I just folded it in twice. Then take it to the sewing machine to secure the fold. So you repeat same thing on the other side also, other piece that we cut. So this is what it looks like after. And then you join it together with the right side facing each other. Then you join that part, that straight line going to the crotch. Yeah, you join it together also. Then you take it to the sewing machine and join it together like I'm showing you right now. So you repeat same thing on the other piece. So after that, the next thing is to work on the crotch. So you just need to join this piece and this together like this. And then it's either you pin it down first before taking it to the sewing machine, or if you know you can join it straight on the sewing machine, it's fine. So you just need to like join both pieces together like this. And then this is what it looks like after joining. After joining the crotch together, the last thing is to insert your elastic band inside the waist. Like I said earlier, we won't be using zip for this pant. We'll be using elastic to hold everything together. So the last thing is just to like cut out your elastic band, like what I'm doing right now. Take it to the same machine to secure the open side of the elastic like this. And then just insert it inside your waistband, and this is what it looks like after. Like I said, this is a one-way palazzo pant. It's very easy. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.